Looking
Looking
for this one. I'm looking for. Can you read?
I'm looking for a job.
Job is
Is
there.
there one in your coffee shop?
Maybe. Can you make good coffee?
Yes, I can.
I
I make
make
best
the best
coffee
coffee
in
in Hawaii. Here, Stitch. This is a guitar. You play it, and it makes music.
that
That's
very loud
loud,
stage,
loud
but
Stitch.
it's great. Good.
Good. That's better, Stitch. You're really good. Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
sorry.
That
That's my
my
sister and her dog.
huh dog huh. Okay, you both have a job.
Dog?
That's the best guitar playing dog on the island.
I think it's the
Only
only
one.
one.
Okay, let's try to practice. We will answer the questions later. I would like you to look at here after me. I'm
I'm
looking
looking
for
for
job
job.
is
Is
there
there
one
one
your
your
coffee
coffee
shop
shop?
maybe
Maybe
can make
make
good.
good.
Yes.
Yes.
Best
Best
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Here,
Here
Stitch.
is
This
is
guitar
her.
makes
Maybe
music.
music
That's
that
very
very
loud.
loud.
Stitch. It's
Is
that's
that
better.
better?
You're
Your
really
really
sorry. Oh,
oh
sister.
sister.
Her.
Her.
Huh.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Have
Have
both.
both.
That's
That
best
just
guitar
guitar.
playing island.
Island.
Think
Thing.
only.
Okay.
So, what Nanny? What
What
can
nanny
Nanny make?
and nanny make?
What is the answer?
Uh,
This one. What is this? She can make
coffee.
the best coffee. Right. Here's the answer. What's the answer? She can make the best coffee in Hawaii. Nani. So the answer is she. She. We will put she, okay? And we are going to copy. She can make here. She can make the best coffee in Hawaii. So I'm going to put it there too. Best coffee in Hawaii. Look at that. And she can. She can make. All right. Number letter B. Who gets a job at the coffee shop? Who gets a job at a coffee shop? Now, letter B. What's the answer? Hello?
Hello.
What's the answer B? Who gets a job at the coffee shop?
Mm,
Answer is
up, up.
go up. Okay, wait. Okay, up. Answer is
Mm, up, up.
go up. Okay. Nothing. Okay, I'll make it smaller. You can see. I think you have a copy. Wait. Ah, no, nothing. Okay, wait. I'll copy. Send it to you. Check your Skype. Okay. You can see. I'm going to make it smaller. There you go. Okay, what's the answer?
I don't know.
Who's working at the coffee shop? Who's working at the coffee shop? I'm going to write Papago, okay? Papago who gets a job at the coffee coffee shop. Who's working? Last picture 7. Who's working at the coffee shop? Who's working? Who's making coffee? And who's playing the guitar? This picture 7. Who's working?
Stop. I,
Nani and
Nani and
Stitch, right?
this.
Nani and Stitch. Why? Because if you see here, y- dog, huh? Okay, you both have a job. You means Nani, and both means Nani and Stitch. What? Because Stitch can play the guitar. So the answer is Nani and Stitch. Okay?
Yes.
Who gets the job again? Nani
Nani
and
and Stitch.
very good. The meaning of gets a job means work. Okay, get a job. So what is get a job? It means work. Get a job means work like this. My job is teaching English.
Yes.
Your job is studying English. Nani's job is what? Making the best Making the best coffee. And how about Stitch? What's Stitch job? Playing the hello. Playing the
Playing the
guitar.
uh,
Look at Stitch. Stitch has a job to play the guitar. Nani has a job to make coffee. Understand?
yes.
Okay, so gets a job means hire. Okay, the meaning of gets a job, get a job means hired. So what is hired? Oh my gosh, not easy right here. It means work. Okay, there you go. So the answer is Nanny and Stitch. That is both. All right, that's it. Let's go to reading the best ever. Me first. Listen and read. The best ever. We asked people to tell us about their favorite book and band and singer. Here's what they said. Harry Potter. I think the Harry Potter books are the best. They're easy to read and they're more interesting than other books. Harry Potter is the best. Okay, Jenny, read this part and this one. Cue. The best
The best
ever.
ever. We ask people
People
to tell us about their
favorite
favorite
favorite book,
book
band,
and
and
which
okay, I'll wait.
band and
And
singer.
singer. All right. Here's what
Here's what they
they said.
said.
I think here.
I
Harry
think the Harry Potter
Potter
books
books are
are the best.
very good. They're
They're
easy
easy
to read.
to read and they're more
More interesting
interesting than
other
other Books. Harry Potter
Books.
is the
The
best.
best. Okay, me first, and then you next. The Beatles. I think the Beatles are the best band ever. They wrote a lot of famous songs, and they're more exciting than today's band. The Beatles are the best. Okay, your turn. I
I
think
think the Beatles are the best
the
band ever.
ever.
The
They wrote
wrote a
a
lot
lot
of
of a lot of famous
famous songs
songs, and
and
they're
they're
more
more exciting than
today's
today's bands.
bands. The Beatles
Beatles are
are
the
the
best.
best. Very good. Me first. Boa. I don't know Boa. I think Boa is the best singer. She is very young and she dances and sings better than a lot of singers who are older than her. Boa is the best. Your turn.
I think Boa is the best singer. She's very younger,
Young. Young.
young, but
But
she dancing,
dances
and sing better,
better
better than a lot of sing
singers who are
are older
older
than
than
her.
Boa.
Boa is the
The
best.
best. Okay, I'm going to close this part. We are going to practice how to say the words properly. I would like you to, I'm going to make it bigger again for you to see. Okay, go back here. Listen very carefully. I would like you to say these words properly after me. The
The
best
best
ever
ever
asked
had
people
people
tell
tell
us
us
about
about
their
the
favorite book, band, singer. Here's
here
what
one
they
day.
said. Harry
Harry
Potter.
Potter
They're
here
easy,
interesting
interesting, interesting.
interesting
Other
other
Beatles
people
ever wrote
wrote
famous
famous
songs.
songs
Exciting today's
starting today
band.
then
Boa
Boa
think
then
best
best
singer. She
singer
is
here
very
very
young.
young
Dances,
dancer
sings
sing
better.
better
Lot of
oh
singers
singer
older.
either
Why is hair? Uh-oh. I have to end the call because I have 8 o'clock. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna do this again. Okay, answer one, two, three, four. Before that, let's read this one. Easy.
easy
To
to
read.
prove
Interesting. Band. Wrote. Famous. Exciting. Singer. We will answer questions 1 to 4, page 20. Remember, okay? Page 20. Okay, have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. End the call.